In this video, I'll answer common questions about Texas state sales tax. I'm Josh with Abaca Tax, and we help clients manage filing and sales tax returns so they can focus on key areas of their business. In Texas, you must file a sales tax return if you have nexus in the state. If you have a physical presence, such as an office or a warehouse, you're required to collect sales tax. If you exceed $500,000 in gross sales in Texas in the last 12 months, you also have economic nexus and must file, even without a physical presence. If you have a Texas sales and use tax permit, then you must file even if you didn't make any taxable sales. For example, if your business had no sales last month, you still need to file a zero return to stay compliant. Due dates depend on how often you file. If you file monthly, your return is due by the 20th of the following month. For quarterly filers, it's April, July, October, and January. And annual filers? Your due date is in January. File online through the Texas Comptroller's e-systems. You'll need your gross sales, taxable sales, and any deductions or exemptions to file. For example, if your total sales were $20,000 and $10,000 was tax-exempt, you'll report $10,000 as taxable sales. Look up the state and local tax rates to calculate sales tax. Start with your taxable sales and multiply by the state rate of 6.25%, then add any local tax rates. For example, if you made $10,000 in taxable sales and your local tax is 2%, you'll owe $825 total. That's $625 for the state and $200 for local taxes. Or you can multiply $10,000 by 8.25%. In Texas, common sales tax exemptions include items like most groceries, prescription medications, and certain agricultural products. Businesses can also claim exemptions for resale items or sales made to tax-exempt organizations. If you file late, there will be penalties and interest on tax you owe. You'll face a penalty starting at 5% of what you owe, which jumps to 10% if you're even later, plus interest. Also, if there's zero tax due, there's still a $50 penalty if you file late. If you missed a deadline, file as soon as possible to reduce penalties. Filing sales tax doesn't have to be stressful. Contact Abaca Tax if you need help filing accurately and on time. We help businesses of all sizes file across several states and stay compliant. Just reach out to our tax specialists in the link below, and we'll be happy to help.